Hi peeps, we are changing the turn signal on the right passenger side of this BMW 328xi, and to do that there's a cover right here. Let's see if we can see this. There's a cover right there. There we go. Which is this cover that I have in my hand. I bought it new because I broke one of the parts. So this is actually the cover that's there. And as you can see, to get it loose, all you have to do is just turn it. Well, right now it's closed, but this is to close it, and this is to open it to get it loose. All you have to do is these two tabs, twist them. So right now they're in the open position. So when you install them, all you have to do is, like if you're going to tighten a screw, just turn towards the right, and that would lock into this channel right here. Let me see right here. This is channel. Can't see how he moves. That little channel goes into the cover right here. So to do that, we have to do that underneath here. So you can see this. We're going to do this turn counterclockwise. It's a little bit hard. I don't know if you can see this, but this one, yeah, that one. Oh, dropped it. Just a second. All right, here we go. Once again. Let me see if I get it. There we go. See, now it could come off. That came off. And the light bulb is right there. All you do is just twist. Did I just twist it? There we go. Comes off. So now, to take off the light bulb, you have to do is twist the light bulb. It comes right off. Push down and twist. So that's all you have to push down and twist. It will pop off right off. I can't do it with one hand. So push down and twist, and it comes off. See that? All right, push it back on. Second. All right, so now we just put a new one in. Let's put it back in there again. Just twist until it reaches. And just put the cover, after it clicks, just put the cover back on and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.